Discover the ancient Oriental secret to restoring perfect health the natural way, without risky drugs, pills, or invasive treatments. This comprehensive masterpiece is a game changer. It includes everything you need to know to restore your health the natural way. It's the key to unlocking holistic health, using the most effective form of traditional Chinese medicine. This groundbreaking book is your ultimate guide, packed with 375 pages of solid information. It holds the key to harnessing the healing strengths of power foods. Inside, you'll learn the secrets that make the people of Bama Yao so healthy, including the #1 secret to restoring balance and harmony within your body, as revealed by the Yin-Yang principle. Hint, it's not what you think. The little-known technique for diagnosing imbalances through tongue, pulse, and facial analysis. These secrets have been closely guarded for centuries. 5 essential flavors that hold the key to nourishing specific organs and influencing your health in surprising ways. The single most important factor that determines a food's effect on your body. Master this and you'll never look at your plate the same way again. How to use the ancient wisdom of the 5 elements to make food choices that harmonize your body's energies. The Encyclopedia of Power Foods is a doorway to a world of vibrant health, where food becomes your most powerful ally. Get ready to harness the wisdom of the ages as you embark on a remarkable journey. All of this is packed into the Encyclopedia of Power Foods, ready for you to begin your transformation. This is a compass for those seeking to navigate the vast sea of dietary wisdom towards the shores of holistic health. The book is available in downloadable form, so you can start now. No waiting for delivery. Just secure your copy and start your journey to better health right away. So a short time from now, you'll get to restore the robust health you deserve. You'll feel fitter and healthier than you have for years. Benefit you can get. Experience the joy of effortless digestion and a happy, healthy gut that allows you to enjoy your favorite foods without worry. Unlock your brain's full potential. Enjoy razor-sharp focus, mental clarity, and unstoppable productivity. Indulge in deep, restful sleep every night, waking up feeling rejuvenated and ready to tackle any challenge. Achieve your ideal weight and maintain it effortlessly without restrictive diets or grueling exercise regimens. Strengthen your body's natural defenses and enjoy a robust immune system that keeps you healthy year-round. Reclaim your body's innate healing power and watch as chronic health issues gradually fade away. Rediscover your youthful radiance with glowing, clear skin that reflects your inner health and vitality. Embrace a positive, stable mood and emotional well-being that allows you to navigate life's ups and downs with grace and resilience. Experience sustained energy levels throughout the day, allowing you to accomplish more and enjoy your favorite activities without fatigue. Discover a newfound zest for life as you wake up each morning feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to seize the day. I want all this for you, and more. Why? Because life is too short to deprive yourself of optimal health. With a copy of the Encyclopedia of Power Foods at home, you'll be able to make every day a happy and healthy one. But we have only 500 books for this promotion, and they are selling out fast. So to enjoy all of these wonderful benefits, you need to act right away. Grab your book now. So it's time to act. Claim your copy of the Encyclopedia of Power Foods today.